Hi, it's Mike again. Welcome to a how-to video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install LED reverse lights in your Tacoma. So I purchased these Sirius LED 921 bulbs purposely made for reverse lights, and we're going to install them this, and I'll show you how I did that. I've bought these Sirius LED bulbs before off of Amazon for the inside lights, and I have another video for that, and the link is right here, and you can take a look at that. They say they're 300% brighter, so what that means, I'm not quite sure. So what I'll do is I'll install them and we'll take video footage of how bright they are, and we'll do it before and after, and you can determine if they're actually, 300% brighter. But I'm sure they are, because the other ones I installed for the map light and the door light are quite a bit brighter too. So I'm hoping for some good results here. So please continue watching and I'll show you how I did this. So to remove the lens here, it's just 3 bolts. This bolt here, this bolt here, this bolt here, and you just need a 10mm socket. And take it all off. Going to pull it off. Pump pops out, and the reverse light is the bottom bulb right here. Kind of move the wires away, just kind of give it a twist, and then it comes out. These are just a pressure fit, they just come out. So these have LEDs that go all the way around, and then LEDs that shine out there, so it reflects and it shines straight back. Looks kind of robust, and it just kind of slides in like that, and then before we button it all up, we'll just turn the reverse lights on and see if it actually works. Oh yeah, awesome. So on the driver's side, I still have the normal incandescent bulb, and on the passenger side is the new LED bulb. And you can see that it's quite a bit brighter. I would say that is probably twice as bright. And it has quite a more of a pure white color than the amber glow that normal incandescent bulbs would. So what I'm going to do is switch the other bulb over and wait till it gets a little bit darker and show you how much light it actually does cast. So I have the other bulb installed, so they're both now LEDs, passenger and driver, and I would say that is easily twice as bright and way more of a white light than an amber light. I'm impressed. I think those are good. They're a keeper. Well, as you can see, they're pretty bright. What I'll do is I'll put a link below of the bulb I actually use. It's a non-affiliate link or anything, it's just the bulb that I use from Amazon. What you can do is put your make and model in the Amazon, and it will search to see if it's actually compatible with your vehicle. The bulb I'm going to link is compatible for a Gen 2 Tacoma, and it's just the reverse light, cool white. So once again, thanks for watching.